Well, hello. Today we are going to talk about statistics and data. So many students struggle with understanding statistics. So we are going to approach this project by breaking this information down to make it meaningful and make it useful and so that you can understand. And again, using everyday examples that you can relate to make sure that it's more meaningful for you as well. So by the time that we're done, you should be able to conduct your own research. We're going to use examples for you, but as we move forward through this project, we will understand that you will be able to conclude your research just fine by following these steps. I'm Robin Richardson, HIM Program Director at ECPI University, and today with us helping with this project is Dr. Paul Nussbaum, who is going to also help us through this research project and lend his helping hand and information as well.
Thank you so much, Professor Richardson. I appreciate it, and thank you for having me here today. I'm excited to go ahead and get started, but tell us about a little of what we've got here and what we're going to be looking at.
Okay, so today we are going to be looking at potatoes. We have russet potatoes. So what we are going to be evaluating, or what you're going to be evaluating, is, I think we're all familiar with potatoes that we can purchase from the grocery store. How much is the average length and width of each potato in this bag? Any ideas you have, Dr. Nussbaum, about what we can evaluate as we look at these potatoes to use our research?
Yes, absolutely. I guess we usually have some sort of a hypothesis, something that we are thinking that we're going to either try to prove or disprove. And the hypothesis could be very simple. It could say that, well, you know, as potatoes grow longer, they also grow wider. That's our theory. So our theory is that there's a correlation or a connection, if you will, between the length of the potato and how wide it is. That kind of makes the potato heavier. So I guess we're going to go ahead and test that theory.
Absolutely. That sounds exciting, and it doesn't seem as scary as some of the other statistical models that you may see sometimes. Potatoes, is something everyone can understand, so I believe this will be a meaningful project that will provide meaningful information for us.
Great. Let's go ahead and get started.
Sounds great.